Unsecured debt can be terminated, reclaiming your financial rights. How to purge unsecured debt using federal law. The bank loan secret, why you are the real creditor. Defeat debt collectors without a contractual nexus. Eliminate debt and restore your credit rating fast. Unsecured debts can be successfully terminated and purged by utilizing the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. Furthermore, credit history can be fully restored by applying the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Defending against creditors is possible through an understanding of contract law, generally accepted accounting principles, GAAP, and court rules. The fundamental basis for this defense is that banks do not actually loan anything. When dealing with debt collectors, the defense rests on the fact that an assignee cannot establish a contractual nexus required to enforce a claim. Banks are legally prohibited from loaning assets. Under the matching principle of GAAP, they cannot loan other depositors money, nor can they risk their own assets due to Federal Reserve regulations. To process a credit application or promissory note, banks convert the customer's note into a check and return it. Because banks hold a monopoly on negotiable instruments, this process conceals the fact that the customer actually creates the currency and funds their own line of credit. In this arrangement, the customer is the true depositor and creditor, while the bank merely simulates a loan approval process. To defend against a creditor that has not yet assigned the account to a collector, the goal is to move the creditor into a new agreement or force the account into collections. One method is sending a notice of final payment. If the creditor fails to dispute the payment or its terms in writing, they effectively accept it as payment in full. If the creditor calls regarding late payments, you should record the caller's name, company, address, and contact details, then formally request that all future communications be in writing only. If phone calls persist, a complaint can be filed with the State Attorney General's office. Once an account is assigned to a third-party collector, their actions are strictly regulated by the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. While a debt can be assigned, it does not create an automatic contract between you and the collector. Third-party assignees usually lack a direct agreement with the debtor and often attempt to gain consent through deceit. You have the right to request a full validation of the debt. Since the collector provided no products or services and lacks your written consent or evidence of consideration, they generally cannot validate the claim. Most collectors will cease pursuit once a validation request is made. If they persist without validation, a complaint to the Federal Trade Commission is appropriate.